Alright, today I'm going to show you guys how to do a repairability test and a shingle removal. I got a shingle to put back in place. This is one the homeowner already had. So what we're going to do is you start out by putting the last name and the claim number on the shingles. Mark which shingle you're going to take. So I'm going to take that one right there. Typically I'll start the video. I'll say my name and company, and I'll say the last name and the claim number, and then I'll show in the video an overview so the insurance company knows I'm at the property. You're going to record that along with doing the test. Typically you can just hold it, do the repairability test, and then document the damage. Make sure to take pictures before and after as well, and of any damage that happens, because sometimes they don't accept video. So that's how you start your video. Again, read the name, read the claim number, tell them what you're going to do in the video, do the overview, and then do your test. I'm going to switch the camera around here. I don't know if I can do that. I'm just gonna go like this. Do my test. I'm sticking in my pitch hopper. When you do your shingle pull, you're going to use a flat bar and try to be as careful as possible. So what you're going to do is run along here and pop the seal of the shingle you're going to pull, and be gentle. Don't pry up like this. That'll damage it for sure. All you're trying to do right now is pop the seal. The insurance company is going to want to know that you're doing this with care and not just trying to intentionally damage it. So you pop the first one, then you have to pop the shingle above it and the shingles above that so you can get all the nails out. This one's already popped. I did not pop these. Somebody else must have, or they're not sealed down. Again, just be gentle with it. Some of them are much harder than others. Now you're going to find all the nails. You're going to pry them up a little, and then you can push down to get the nail out. And save the nails, because you're going to put those back in when you're done. That one pulled through. Now you find nails for the shingle above it, because those are a lot of times also in the top of yours. These are all overdriven. If they're overdriven, you can still pry them up from underneath. And then once you get it up a little bit, you should be able to push it back through the hole in the shingle. You don't want to leave them in though, because you got to get them out to get the shingle out. Oops. I got the shingle out. Now I'll show you guys what we're looking for here. All right, so what you're looking for on these repairability tests is mat transfer. So you can see here, okay, you can see here, there's fibers. Come on, focus. There's fibers in here. That actually correlates to this one. So you can see it pulled the matting off and you can see the fibers exposed. So the sealant that seals the shingle down didn't break away on its own. It actually pulled apart and stayed on the shingle below it. So if you have one where they want you to repair it, in theory, you're showing them that, and you're showing that you can't repair it and put it back to its normal condition. Because if you try to reinstall these shingles, reusing them, they're not going to seal back together right because the sealant is broken off onto the next shingle. You can see it all right there too. So when you're done with your shingle pull, as you're taking a video, then go through and show close-ups. My phone will just not focus. Show close-ups, just show them the damage that happens. Those are nail pulls, they pulled through. So show them all that, and then take pictures of everything. That is how you do a shingle pull / repairability test.